Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I did not finish off the vlog last night because I fell asleep at like 9:30 on my couch last night. Eric was asleep before 9 o'clock. We was exhausted. So I figure I'll just pick up where I left off yesterday. I've just kind of been vlogging here and there when it feels right, combining things some days, skipping days. There was a couple of days that I actually had 2 vlogs from the same day just based on what was going on. It was a lot of footage, so I split it up into 2 vlogs. So just been kind of going with the flow. I just wrote up my grocery list. I have a ton of paper products and like household items to buy this week, so it's going to be a higher week in terms of groceries, which stinks because I like to keep my budget low. But I did my meal plan, got everything figured out. Both the boys are coming with me today, so I'm hoping that does not raise the budget up, and I'm hoping it doesn't raise my stress level because sometimes they argue and bicker in the stores. But I'm hoping for a good day. It's raining and dreary again today. I know there's some of you out there that are just praying for rain in your areas, especially those of you dealing with the wildfires. I'm really hoping that I can send some of this rain your way, hopefully. So I'm pretty tired of the rain though, not gonna lie. So yeah, that's what's going on. We're gonna head out to the grocery store. So Eric's cooking dinner. I thought I'd show you guys his new grill. Do you want to tell them about it?
I mean, it's just like any other grill, except that instead of gas or charcoal, it uses wood pellets. So you can buy whatever flavor you want, and it adds wood grill flavor to everything. Plus it works as a smoker. So tomorrow, or the next day, I'll be making some venison jerky.
He's wanted a smoker for a really long time. And couldn't justify it, Finally, he decided on this thing. And it was pricey, but he seems to really like it. Gotta show him.
Yeah, so it uses pre-made wood pellets. Just fill that, they call it a hopper up, and it automatically pulls the pellets in as the thermostat decides it needs more.
Makes some really delicious food. It's loud.
Well, yeah. It's got a convection fan in it so that it maintains the heat and keeps it right also.
Oh, is that what the noise was?
Yeah.
So, there it is. And it is a...
It's a Pit Boss wood pellet grill.
Okay, there you go. If I can find this, I'll link it below if you guys are interested in it, or your husbands are interested in it, or whatever. Not sponsored or anything, obviously, but he seems to really like it, so there's that. Alright, so there's a look at the dinner that Eric made. He did barbecue boneless chicken thighs, which are really delicious. They get them half price at Aldi. They always seem to have them half price, and they are so flavorful and delicious. So there's that. We have some baked beans and some sweet corn. Yummy. So Robbie is out running some kind of soccer drill. It's their very last conditioning before actual practice starts tomorrow, mandatory practice. So he's doing that. Austin is over playing at the park here. They've been coming to this park to do practicing and run drills and stuff because it's a little bit bigger and there's more space for them to kind of spread out and do their drills and stuff, and he's been loving it. So we just stopped by to pick him up. Practice is almost over, and then we're gonna go to Lowe's and pick up we bought a new weed whacker, so that's what's going on. I don't know which one he is out there. They all look alike from this far away, but I'm sure he's working hard. Alright, so we are en route to Lowe's. Stopped at Tim Hortons for a treat. Eric and I got iced caps. What am I looking at? You're pointing.
Oh, that sexy silver Corvette.
Oh, yeah. Robbie got an ice cap too, right? And Austin got frozen hot chocolate.
This is the best thing from there.
You like it? Good.
There's no caffeine. It's no good.
There's no caffeine. Well, he didn't need caffeine. He's 10. So yeah, now we're headed to Lowe's in the rain. Of course, more rain.
Yay.
Gotta love order online, pick up in store. They email you and say your order's ready.
Alright, so we're done at Lowe's, and now since we're right down the road from a Target, I'm gonna run into Target. I haven't been to Target in like 8 months or something, because we don't have one real close to our house, but we had to come to this Lowe's because our local Lowe's didn't have what we wanted, so, you know, when in Rome.